see one of my other videos, and today I'm going to mesquite smoke them. Just got them fired up. There's some wieners on there too, but just smoke them for maybe an hour, maybe two. Smoke them. See how stinky they get. It's been about 20 minutes. 174 degrees smoking. If you roll them over, I just imagine you get smoke on all the same different sides. See how that goes. Let's get some air between them. I'll cold smoke them, but I ain't got a cold smoker. Almost an hour and a half later. 1:36. Smoky the Brat. Ambassador wieners. I'll let go a little bit longer. Kind of think this. It's not very hot. They're going to be smoky. Just take a peek at how much pellets we use. Not even that much. There's like a little reservoir going right here. Cool. So maybe another hour. Now it's starting to get dark out. It's still cold in Minnesota. It's been 2 hours. Come bump the heat up. Got some smoked brats. Turn it up to 375. Cook these for, I don't know, another 45 minutes. Alright, so it's been 2.5 hours, about a half hour. 357. Temperature. Got some wieners cooking. Just like that. Because it's working my way up there. It's all heat now. Less smoke. It's a little browner. Not bad. Pull these all and today. Well, I'm going to let these cook a little longer, but these wieners are definitely done. Split. These cook for another 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Alright, it's been 3 hours. Time to shut her down. Shut down mode. Here's the brats. Smoked, homemade. Get them on the train, bring them inside. One last thing, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. One more last thing to check to see how much wood I used. Put a nice dent in it. Pike. 3 hours is quite a while to burn wood, but inches.